Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan, and today I have another new video about synchronous and asynchronous transmission of data. As we can see, there is a picture and there are different devices communicating to other device. We can see there is a mobile device that is sending data to another device that is located on another location of the world, and there is a desktop computer or PC that is sending data, and you can see that data is moving through the internet cloud, and after that it is transferring to the destination device. We can see a mobile is sending data and data is moving towards the internet cloud, and after that moving towards the destination device, and same like that two computers are sending data and there is internet cloud is there. So we will discuss about these data transmission methods one by one. So what is data transmission? Data transmission means when one computer is sending data to another computer, or one device is sending data to another device. Not necessary, there must be a computer. Data could be sent through a mobile device, data could be sent through a tablets, laptops. So there is a instruction sending, and that instruction is hello, and a character by character is data sending towards the receiver. This one is a sender computer and this one is a receiver, and data is flowing towards the right direction. As we can see, character by character data is sending towards the B device, that is receiver device or receiver computer, and we can see hello is received on the other end, and again computer is sending the same word hello, and character by character data is sending towards the other device. So we will discuss in transmission mode that how could data is transferred character by character in different transmission modes. So let's see. There are two different transmission modes. Number one is called asynchronous transmission and the other one is called synchronous transmission mode. So we will discuss one by one. Asynchronous transmission. Asynchronous transmission is the transmission of data in which each character is a self-contained unit with its own start and stop bit, and an even not fixed interval between them. Means there is a not time fixed between two characters. As we can see, one device is sender and the other one is a receiver, and data is sending character by character 8 bits packet, and there is a start and stop bit. We can see start bit is 0 and stop bit is 1. So in asynchronous transmission mode, data is transferred character by character, but there is a time interval that is not fixed. Means there is a gap of time. We can see gap between the data units, but that is not fixed. As we can see, one character is transferred to the receiver and there is a big gap of, and other one is transferring and we can see there is a small gap of time. So there is not fixed time interval between asynchronous transmission data, and data is moving towards the right direction. As we can see, data flow direction is towards the right direction, that is a receiver device, and this one is a sender. So asynchronous transmission mode, there is a start bit and stop bit is there. Let's move towards the next one, that is called synchronous transmission. Synchronous transmission is a data transfer method in which the time interval between two characters is always the same. As we can see, there is time interval is same, and character by character is data continuously sending towards the receiver, and data flow direction we can see on the right side towards the receiver. This one is a sender. In this method, two communicating devices are synchronized and they continuously send data. As we can see, continuously data is sending towards the right direction, that one is a receiver. A special ideal character is sent when there is no data to send. For example, data is finished and there is no data to send towards the receiver. So in these conditions, a special character is sent towards the receiver, so it could understand that there is no data is coming. A special character is sent when there is no data to be sent. Clear? So these are the synchronous transmission method in which character by character data is sending towards the receiver and there is no time interval. Or the time interval is the same, but there is no start and stop bit. We can see there is no start and stop bit as in the previous one. That one is the asynchronous transmission method, in which there is start and stop bit after each character. Now we will compare or difference between synchronous and asynchronous transmission of data. One of the major difference is that in synchronous transmission, the sender and receiver should have synchronized clock before data transmission, whereas asynchronous transmission does not require a clock, but it add a parity bit to the data before transmission. Because a synchronous method, we have to send start and stop bit. So there is no need to set the clock, whereas in the synchronous transmission there is a continuous data sending because both the devices are synchronized, because there is no concept of start and stop bit. Furthermore, the synchronous transmission use synchronization character, while asynchronous method employs start and stop bit. As I have explained, in asynchronous transmission method, there must be a start and stop bit after sending each character towards the receiver. Uh, in order to alert the modem, because modem should be alert, or modem must be alert in the asynchronous transmission method after receiving the start bit and stop bit. We can see there are different gadgets and devices. They are continuously sending and receiving data. And we have discussed that there are two different methods. Those are called synchronous and asynchronous method, and we have discussed step by step. I hope students that you have understood about the different transmission method of data. We have discussed one by one. If you have any questions, so you can ask. In the next coming video we will discuss with a new topic. So until that, Allah Hafiz. I am going to signing out.